जल्दी बोलो।
I, Anami Sinha, along with my teammates. Good afternoon, everyone. I, Anami Sinha, along with my teammates, am going to explain the different courses of rivers. So, to make you understand better, we have to take the example of Ganga. As we know that Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier and it flows. Anami Sinha, along with my teammates, I am going to explain the different courses of river. Now, first let me introduce my teammates. This is Himanshu, this is Arsh, this is Neha and this is Deepika. So, to make you understand better, we have taken the example of Ganga. So, and related its courses with the human life. Now, the Ganga originates from Gangotri glacier and flows through steep mountains, making gorges and enters plains. In plains, river forms meanders and Oxbow Lake. Now I would like to invite Neha to explain us about Oxbow Lake.
An Oxbow Lake is a U-shaped body that forms the main stream of the river. An Oxbow Lake is a U-shaped body that forms the main stream of the river is cut off.
Neha, now Arsh will speak. Arsh, come on.
Meander is the curved shape river that resembles in the ocean.
Snakes.
In the shape of snakes.
Thank you, Arsh, for explaining us what are meanders. Now, after this, it enters lower course. In lower course, Ganga with Brahmaputra makes a delta named Sundarban Delta. Now, I would like to invite Deepika to explain us more about Sundarban Delta.
And the fast growing delta. It's from the Sundari tree which grows in marshy land. It also famous Bengal royal tigers and the deltas formed by various rivers. The main rivers are Ganga and Brahmaputra. This also known as Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. Called Anami to control.
Thank you, Deepika, for explaining us what is Sundarban Delta. Now, after this, the river flows into Bay of Bengal and the journey of river ends. Now, you might be noticing that nowadays the river is getting dirtier and dirtier every day by day. So, the government of India has launched such program, Namami Gange program, to make sure that Ganga is purified. I would like to call Himanshu to explain us more about Namami Gange program.
Namami Gange program was launched in 2014 and it was inspired by the project that river London Thawa, which was too much polluted. River Thames, which was too much polluted and biologically dead. The government had decided to clean in 1950s and it is now the world cleanest river in the world. Now let us explain Namami Gange river. First stage, the river we clean the solid materials like plastics, bottles and different type of things. Solid materials were cleaned. Now in second stage, we clean the diluted things like sewage waste, chemicals in the river. And at the last, we clean totally the rivers go. This generally formed between the meanders to clean the rivers. And this to explaining you better, we have made it in larger portion. Now you can see that river moves very fastly and after then it gets slower and at last it gets very much slower and get old and death. It is also similar to our life. In first stage we also in child stage we are also small and we are also child, and we do not listen to another, and we have too much speed. Similarly, the river also do not listen to anyone. It cuts the mountain and create gorgeous like shapes. And when in the middle stage we come, we get guidance from our parents and different. Similarly, like the river is getting its tributaries. Now, then after getting guidance, we get our path. We select our path, which career we want, and after that we get old. And in old age, we explain our younger siblings that how we have lived our life in the old age, and share our experience. And at last, it is similar that we are sharing our knowledge and things that we have taken to study, and signing our property and getting that at the old age. Similarly, the river also do it collect all the silt from the beginning and deposit it as a delta in the last. Now, this message was to forward that river is too much related to our life. We clean ourselves daily. That's why river also need to be clean. This is our responsibility. It is not only the responsibility of the government. We need to clean the rivers. Thank you very much. With my all teammates, I will thank to you.